what a great day. I am thrilled to celebrate the official opening of the University of Oregon Portland campus.
From the first time we stepped onto this campus exactly 4 years ago, we knew this was a special place. We knew it would be the perfect home for the path-breaking work of the Ballmer Institute for Children's Behavioral Health and a wonderful home for our other UO Portland programs. This campus truly supports the vision and possibilities of UO Portland's building on the UO's presence and commitment to the Portland region for the past 150 years.
I think this is just going to be tremendous, okay? A Portland presence and a beautiful campus. This is the way to go. And go Ducks!